So hello guys, welcome back to the video. So today we're gonna play more of Die of Death. Yes, more of Die of Death. And I am actually the killer. So you're gonna see some Pursuer gameplay. Fresh meat. Ow! 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 I need to kill this guy. ASAP. Oh yeah, you're cornered, bud. How did I kill someone? Ow! Oh yeah! First kill of the day! Everybody else is cooked, man. If one dies, everybody else dies. Oh no! Alright, I'm targeting this healer. He needs to go! Oh my god! I stink! No! Bro. You don't want to see me angry. I'm getting looped. Oh my gosh, bro. How did I get hit? No. Bro! Yes! 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 Oh my god, I'm cooking. After that healer died, everybody's failing. Oh. Yes! Let's go. W. Oh, I have 500. We're gonna save up for Harken. Since Harken is like my main in my main account. Yes, this is my alt account. So we're gonna save up for Harken because I know Harken more. Alright, alright. Give me good card. Oh, we need guns. We need a good card. Please, 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 please. Deck of that. What? I mean, I guess I could do this. Ow! How did I get hit? Oh, he's coming over there. Oh yeah. Heal me, heal me, heal me. Oh, I suck. Oh my god, bro. Now I'm only 50 HP. Is there another healer? There's no more healer. That was the only healer. We are cooked. I am cooked. What are they potentially doing? Oh yeah. Bro, what? How did I get hit? No, 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 no. How did I get hit? That's actually insane. I need a healer. I'm one shot. There's no healer. Ooh. Where's bro aiming? Ooh. No, what was that? Ooh. Oh! Oh! Holy snipe! That was such a crazy snipe, bro. Alright, we're hiding over here. Goodbye. Ooh, ooh. I think we're gonna survive. Alright, alright. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Hell no. Ooh, I'm sticking to my people. Oh yeah, bro. Let's go. We are looping the killer. Oh, is bro a tank? Bro is an absolute tank.
Boris. Ba't nag-update ka lang to? Ba't parang ayaw na niya mag-ano?
Oh, oh, oh. Oh wait, I'm one shot. Oh yeah. One of the best. Bro, I am not picking taunt again. Wait, who is that? Pursuer? Anyway, if you want to see my stats, this is my stats. 1 hour, 6 wins, two wins on killer. I admit it kinda sucks, but alright. Special round! Oh! Oh wait, no! Oh yes! Let's go! Oh yeah! Oh, bro is cooked. Oh yeah. Ooh! Alright, so next round. Please give me gun. Please give me gun. Gun and block. Ooh, sheesh. Gun and punch, even better. Please, 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 please. Yes. Oh yeah, revolver and punch. Oh no. Alright, this is probably the safest. Oh, he's getting chased over there. Poor dude. Oh wait, he's over there. If you ever go down the stairs, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Ah, what are we doing? We're feeding him time. Oh, good. Nice, nice. No, why are you? Oh my god, who died? Let me reload. Yes. Oh, 360 no scope. Oh yeah. Reload. Oh, you must die. Oh no. You must die. Oh, she gonna turn invisible? If he ever goes here? Bro, what? Why? How? Oh my god, that was a misclick. Easy snipe. No. Why are you leading him here? What are you doing? Please chase the one over. Yes! Oh yeah, buddy, you're. Oh my god, and he's AFK. So it's between. Alright, let's go, let's go up here! Up here! What are you doing? How did I get hit? Tell me how. No! Please survive. Chat, is he cooked? Yep, he's cooked. No. Chat, am I cooked? No! Should have went for the revolver. Oh my god, what? Wait. Oh, I'm 5. I thought I was still 3 bonus. Harken. This will be the last round? I don't know. Oh, Harken, Harken, Harken. Please. Revolver punch, revolver punch, revolver punch, revolver punch. Wait, what is... Oh, let's go! One of the best. Wait, why did I not shift lock? No, she gonna target me? What is she doing? Wait, is that healing pad? Yes, oh, care pad. Don't worry, little bro. I have. Oh no, we need those guys. I've come and save you. Oh yeah. Yes, distract him. No, oh mate. Wait, is he in Vic? Oh, he died. Oh yeah. What is he doing? Oh no, why are you targeting me? Woo! Why are you targeting me? Care pad, please. Yes. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, I'm gonna rage bait the killer so hard right now. Look. Oh, oh, I think I got rage baited. What is the killer doing? I can still do revolver. Oh yeah. How many points? Oh, 65. My killer? No. Let's see, shop. 7. Oh. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Bye!